everyone, welcome back to this channel, and this is the first day of the video series where we start speaking from today, right? So do you understand English but stuck, or I can say freeze when it's time to speak, right? So you are not alone. Many of us are facing the same problem, right? So for the next 7 days we are going to take up this challenge and start speaking with whatever the things, whatever the grammar and the words we have. We will start speaking using those things only, right? So I'm also in the learning phase, so this is not going to be any particular class. This is going to be a challenge video where we both learn together. So by the end of this video you will learn how to introduce yourself from very scratch, right? So why don't we speak? So many of the time we thought that we are not able to speak in English because of the grammar, because we thought that we don't have the knowledge of the grammar and the fancy vocab, I can say. But this is not the problem. The main problem is like fear, right? Fear of being judged, fear of using the right words, like fear of not making the mistake. So the main elephant in the room is the fear. This is something that is going to stop you from speaking. So there is a solution. Means we thought that every fluent speaker once started with making mistakes only. So always remember that when you are learning something, initially you are going to make mistake, and it is very okay with it. So you have to accept that you are not going to be very fluent in speaking overnight. This will a process and this will take time. So what you have to do is just start speaking. Do not chase the perfection. Start speaking with the stock of words that you are having right now and the knowledge of grammar that you have right now. Just start speaking by using those things only. Do not chase the perfection that one day I will learn everything and then start speaking. This is not going to happen at all, because learning grammar or learning words is a never ending process. This is like an ocean that more deep you dive, the more you have to explore. So do not just chase for like perfection. Start speaking from today, and this will going to give you a more confidence, believe me and trust me. So one golden rule is that do not translate everything from your native language to English and then use those English in your speaking. This will again a lengthy process. So instead of that, what you can do is just learn 10 sentences daily, the very simple 10 sentences. Just learn it and then start using while you are speaking to your family members, while you are speaking to your friends, while you are working. Just start using those sentences. So this is going to your work, that just start learning 10 sentences daily. And the very simple sentences you can start from, like your daily routine. Just learn the sentences, that how you like frame the sentence, like मैं सुबह उठती हूँ, then I go to kitchen, I prepare breakfast, then I clean my bed, then I clean my room, I pack my lunch, I pack my lunch, I go to my office, I work there, and I come back from the office, I took some rest, I watched some videos, and like that. You have to learn the basic very few sentences of the daily uses. This will help you a lot. So just what you have to do is just make up a note out of it, like today make a date or day and start writing the 10 sentences that you are going to learn today, and use those sentences in your coming like conversation. Use those sentences very efficiently, and this will help you a lot. So the golden rule is, do not translate everything from your native language to English and then using those sentence while you are speaking. This will become a lengthy process. So just instead of that, just learn those basic sentences and then start using those sentences. You will feel a lot more difference. And side by side, what you can do is just learn the grammar and learn the words, right? So initially you have to do hard work, I can say, right? Everything is not so easy. You have to put in the required effort. So side by side you can do the things like learn the grammar, learn the words. But for the daily use, for the quick learning, what you have to do is just learn the basic sentences and start using while you are speaking, right, while you are having the conversation with your family members or friends, I can say again. So now what we are going to do is just prepare whatever I told earlier, that learn the sentences of your day-to-day routine. Like that, what you have to do is just learn 5-6 sentences that how to introduce yourself. Like if I give an example, like my name is Aditi, I am from Bihar. Right now I am learning English to improve my communication skill. I want to learn new skill and making YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, have a great day. So like that, you have to prepare your self introduction, or use this sentence that I have used and replace with your information like your name, your place, and use it also. But if you want to add something or remove something, make it according to you, right? So what you have to do is just search, just Google it, that how to introduce yourself, and just write down 6-7 sentences and make it according to you, that how you want to introduce yourself in front of people, and just learn those sentences. After learning, what you are going to do is, after learning, say 5 times in front of mirror in a single take, right? After learning the 6 sentences in a different time frame, you just have to add up all the sentences and make a paragraph, and say this all the sentences in a minute. And so just practice in front of the mirror. This will going to give you a basic introduction about yourself. And then the next thing that you have to do is just sit and record yourself for 1 minute. That in 1 minute you have to introduce yourself. So start recording using those sentences that you have learned. So yeah, this is the process, and by doing it you see a lot of improvement in yourself. This is a shortcut that I have told you because this is a 7-day English speaking challenge, and in 7 days I want you to learn something. So first thing in this video that you are going to, first challenge from this video is that you are going to learn how to introduce yourself. Say it in front of mirror, and after that just record yourself, just record a video. This will help you a lot to improve, and this will, because you are there to monitor that how you are speaking, what are the things you need to improve. So you will see in that video. So just start recording yourself while speaking. Then the second task, the first task is the homework, I can say, from today's session is that just start recording yourself, start introduction. We start learn how to introduce yourself and record that introduction. Next, learn 10 sentence, right? So this is like homework, and hope you will like this video and wait for the day second and our 2nd day challenge. So we will learn together. And my main listen, what I can say is, English is just like a skill. For example, if you want to learn how to ride a bicycle, you just go into the ground and start practicing, start riding, right? And at the end of the day, or at the end of 5-6 days, you will learn how to ride a bicycle. English is like that only. This is also a skill. This is you will going to learn it by practicing, not by reading something or writing something. That will also help, but practicing is something that will help you a lot. So it's just like any other skill, you have to practice it to master it, right? So do not be hesitate, do not keep fear with yourself. Just start speaking. If somebody is going to judge you, let them judge now. Making mistake is going to take making mistake in a positive way. Like if you are making mistake in something, means you are learning that thing, right? You are learning that skill. That's why you are making mistake. So it's better to make mistake and learn rather than sitting idle and thinking of that one day I will do, if I will prepare everything, I will start speaking. This is not going to happen. So yeah, this is for today's video, and so thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.